You won't believe what happened next. This simple trick got me 1 million views. And YouTube hates it. VinFast VF6. Maintenance and service. What Indian buyers need to know. Create a YouTube SEO-friendly video. More humanized and relatable. Make video edited to humans and get trending in YouTube. Make it funny, engaging, entertaining in American English, and host is Vinayak Gupta. And make it monetizable in YouTube, realistic voice like real human American, and do something unique in video different from other YouTube videos, and creative give full human touch and customization, edit video like professional and different video editor. Create a starting 5 seconds hook to audience hook in the full video. Add memes and emoji and sound effects to the full video. Make video viral on YouTube. Add fast transactions, talk fast. Don't add silent gap video, non-stop talking video. Don't bore audience. Video will be engaging. Video will not be more than 3 minutes. And change voice tone. Make video more humanized. Hook viewers in the first 5 seconds. Make video addictive. Start with a shocking statement, question, or visual tease. Example, you won't believe what happened next. Keep retention high. Edit tightly. Cut fluff. Use jump cuts, sound effects. Follow the 3-second rule. Something must change, visual audio, every 3 seconds. Encourage engagement. Ask viewers to like, comment, subscribe, but naturally not forced. Add a poll, question, or CTA, call to action. 1. Hook viewers in the first 5 seconds, the make or break moment. Why? 70% of viewers drop off in the first 10 seconds if they're not hooked. YouTube's algorithm prioritizes videos with high retention, so a strong start is mandatory. How to hook them? A. The shock and surprise hook. Start with unexpected visual sounds. For example, screaming, explosion, crazy stunt. Example, this simple trick got me 1 million views, and YouTube hates it. Show a clip of the most exciting part of the video first. B. The curiosity gap hook. Tease something mysterious or unresolved. Example, I spent $10,000 on this. Was it worth it? This hidden setting will double your phone's battery life. C. The emotional hook. Trigger strong emotions, fear, excitement, nostalgia, anger. Example, I almost died filming this video. This 10-year-old kid just made $1 million. Here's how. D. The question hook. Ask a relatable question that forces viewers to keep watching. Example, what's the one app you're wasting time on right now? Why do 99% of people fail at losing weight? 2. Keep retention high, the 3-second rule. Why? YouTube pushes videos that keep people watching longer. If viewers drop off early, your video dies in the algorithm. How to keep retention high? A. Edit like a Hollywood trailer.